What do car accident lawyers do? We help people who are injured in car wrecks. We help them recover for the full value of their injuries, not 50% or 60%. We help them recover for the entire amount. And people that are injured in car wrecks, they don't know what to do. They don't know whether they need a lawyer. So we have these videos and we explain to them. I'm Gary Berger of Berger Law, by the way. And we tell you whether or not we can add value to the case. We tell you what we can do. We litigate. We try cases. We do these things. Not that anybody wants to have that happen to them. Like, you get in a car wreck and now you're getting treated unfairly by the insurance company. Now you have to hire a lawyer and go through this and do that. Said no one ever, right? No one wants to do that, but it's important that you realize that you have one chance of recovery for an injury, that we have a civil justice system, the best system in the world, America's system, and you know that insurance companies and the defendants on the other side are going to fight you. They fight you hard. And so what lawyers like me do is we equal the playing field. We make you as strong as tough, and we fight for you. We will fight hard for you. I fight hard for my clients every day. So I talk to my clients. I counsel my clients. I'm a straight shooter. I tell them what their damages are, what the things they need to worry about. There's a lot of tricks and traps in this about insurance companies and liens and different insurance policies. The defendant's insurance company, your insurance company for uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. What about your health insurance? What about, do you have to pay the medical providers back? Do you get damages for your wage loss that you suffered in the case? How much money can you get? What venue do you do? What do you put the case in? How quickly can you recover? What medical providers do you go to? How do you find a medical provider that's going to treat you and the right medical provider for your injuries? Then how much money do we ask for? How much money is your case worth? And that's informed by what insurance companies pay, but also jury verdicts and trials. And I'm a trial lawyer. But just because you hire a lawyer like me doesn't mean you have to go to trial and file a lawsuit and all that stuff. Many cases settle in the claim stage. In fact, we try to settle cases. Unfortunately, there's a tension between getting good money or full value for your injury versus having it happen quickly. So a lot of times we have to fight folks for a while to make sure that you get a full value of your injury and not just 50% of your damages. We also look at levels of insurance to the defendant. There's minimum coverages are $25,000 in Missouri, Illinois, and most states. Is there other insurance? What underinsurance do you have? So there's a whole host of questions and problems, and the lawyer's job is to equal the playing field, to provide information and professional advice and be right and correct in it, be transparent, be a straight shooter with our clients, have them get the best recovery in the shortest amount of time we can for our clients, have them walk away from the case after it's settled, having as much money in their pocket tax-free, settlements are tax-free as they can, making sure all the bills are paid, and be made as whole as they can be made. So that's basically, and I also try cases. I'm in depositions every day. I try lawsuits often, just because ultimately insurance companies don't have to pay you fairly, but it's the threat of your right under the Constitution written in 1789, the right to a jury trial, to address grievances in a jury of your community, of your peers. And so that's the power that you have against these insurance companies, and they know that, or they should know that. And lawyers like me make sure that your voice is heard. I work hard to hone my skills. I work hard to be the best trial lawyer I can be. It's important to me, and it's important for me to fight bullies and insurance company bullies to equal the playing field and get you justice.